Funny thing is, I'm already not. I'd be right back. So, she is beauty. Pretty. So I was uploading videos of gifting stuff, but anyway, I'll show you things I got. So hopefully she knows. Okay, I got the newest. I just traded for those. I got that. Yeah, I think that's it. And then I got a whole bunch of den items, and I said I would make a new wolf because I had this wolf, and I traded them to her for some things because I got that and that same color only. It was like the Berserk thing, but I traded for it. So this is my friend Rose. She's recording too. We go to the science school and stuff. I'm in her other videos, like for instance, Wolf Quest Interruption. If you people have seen that, I am the one who says like kill the bunny and stuff. Like, well, I want you to. This is her den, obviously. Her name is. Okay. So this is the new wolf I made. I'm gonna make another Arctic wolf because I put all new stuff on it and I had the color and the thing, but okay, hi. What do I have on my outfit? Oh yeah, I can just put my spike on. Duh. Stupid. Oh, why did I click on that? There we go. Spiky. LOL. Okay, so gonna do Arctic Wolf. Down, I tell you. We're gonna name it Monster. Wait, no. Cookie. I had a around like Sergeant Cookie Pot, and I went around and I had like this hat on, this really creepy hat on, and I had like this sweater and it was a cheetah, and I'm just like, never to fear, Sergeant Cookie Pot is here. Gotta be red. Gotta be redneck. No. I should do that or that. Kind of thinking that. And what's instead for to die? I don't get why they price them at 1,000. I mean, the animals are 1,000, and they're pricing more than an animal for freaking. Unless I were that, but I don't really want that. How about I do this? Since I have the fox head on the other one, I'll do the horns. No. I need to change my eyes. Oh, oops. Wait, I'm gonna make them that brown. There we go. Should I have a pattern? I'll do the stars. Stars are fun. Yellow. Yeah, I'm just gonna stick with that yellow. Well, that's kind of stupid. Oh, you can see that. It's like a different shade of white. Oh well. Here we go. See, I only have that much left. Can't wait till the next carnival, because I have 2,800 to sell. I was like really good at carnival games. Wait. I should change my tail. I have like all these different horns. Those ones would probably match the most. Okay. Another tail. Bingo. So I can change my eye color back to white. Hey! No! Okay. This person is pretty awesome. Not to mention I give her all the ears. Why can we pause? Do you really know? So be right back, guys. You're about to get shell shocked. I got a present. A dream in my pocket, you can tell it could have power. A full one we fly together. God, this song has been stuck in my head all day, people. We fly together. Ready? Ta-da. I've listened to that. I've watched that. Yeah. Okay. Rose.